We tell people to write in and nominate someone who deserves a yay. You were nominated and selected as a winner.
Oh, thank you so much.
And your nominator was a parent, Summer Sentz, who says that you deserve a yay because you make learning fun for middle schoolers. You don't just teach the curriculum, you create labs that encourage hands-on learning that are motivating students' enthusiasm to learn even more about science and our world. She says that her son came home saying how much he enjoyed the labs, and I'm not sure he realizes the positive impact that you're even having through this enjoyment of learning in the classroom. And she says it was evident at back to school night that you genuinely love teaching. She says, as a parent, I feel fortunate that my children are learning from teachers like Mrs. Forrester, who continue to model lifelong learning. Bravo!
Oh,
and
thank you.
for this.
Thank you.
Congratulations.